Hey, what's going on, guys? What's happening? YouTube, you've tuned into Rules for Rebels. I wanted to talk about alternative cryptocurrency exchanges to Binance. Binance the other week announced that they're going to be banning U.S. customers. So as of September 12th, U.S. customers on the Binance platform will no longer be able to trade, and they'll no longer be able to withdraw. So the two alternative exchanges that I'm looking at using, and I haven't really decided on which one's going to be kind of my primary exchange, but we have Kucoin and we have Gate.io. I will drop links to both Kucoin and Gate.io down in the description box below. If you want to sign up for one of these exchanges and you appreciate me making this video, I'd appreciate it if you could use my affiliate link. I'll get some scraps from your crypto trading, and then if you guys are affiliate marketers or want to share your links from signing up with a friend, you can get referral bonuses and things like that as well. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of background. So it's probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, that the FAFT, the FATF, I forget what the organization stands for, but it's this worldwide organization that advises governments. They don't actually make law. They don't have any power to enforce anything, but they advise governments on monetary policies, anti-money laundering policies, etc. They had kind of recommended, and governments seem to be taking them up on it and trying to follow suit. They want crypto custodians and cryptocurrency exchanges to start. I forget whether it was reporting on or just keeping records of. But either way, any transaction or any movement of $1,000 or more, FinCEN already requires banks and investment companies and other businesses to file what's called a CTR on movements above $10,000. And even that is really small. Like, nobody's going to launder money $10,000 at a time, at least not in these significant quantities. So they're actually talking about raising that to 35 grand or potentially even 50 grand. But $1,000, I mean, it's very burdensome to exchanges and small businesses. Think about, like, even somebody who's got a pretty small amount of crypto, because it's best practices not to leave your money on an exchange. People are regularly moving, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 over to an exchange, making a trade, doing some trading, then back to their crypto wallet. They want to make another trade, they're sending it back. So there's a lot of movements of cryptocurrency over $1,000, and it's just going to be a pain in the butt for exchanges to report on this. So Binance has finally kind of caved to pressure. Binance was kind of a rebel. They were kind of, they moved to Malta. They were kind of snubbing their nose at governments. And finally, Binance has kind of cracked. They are going to be, like I said, banning U.S. customers September 12th. What's going to happen as of September 12th, U.S. customers, at least what they're telling us at this point, U.S. customers won't be able to deposit and they won't be able to trade. Supposedly, you can still withdraw. I would recommend getting your money off Binance a couple weeks, maybe a month or two prior to September 12th. And ultimately, don't sleep on this date, because really, first of all, you shouldn't be leaving money on exchanges to begin with. If you are going to be leaving money on exchanges, what's the point of leaving money on an exchange that you can't even trade on anyways? A lot of people are talking about using VPNs. To me, that's kind of risky, especially if it's more than a couple $100 or an amount of money you're willing to lose. If your VPN ever fails, if you accidentally log in from your real IP address and not your VPN, Binance is going to wind up banning you. Your money's going to be all tied up. Maybe you get it back, maybe you don't. It's going to be stressful. It's going to be a big fucking headache, and you don't want it to happen. So I personally would recommend probably not continuing to use them with a VPN. A lot of people are talking about using the Binance DEX. It's not a true decentralized exchange, and they will geo-block, so you're kind of back to square one with having to use a VPN again. So Binance is opening up a Binance.us. It's going to be basically a US version of Binance. It's not technically being run by CZ and Binance. They've essentially licensed their name, licensed their technology to a company who I believe goes by the name of BAM out of San Francisco, who's registered with FinCEN as a money transmitter, cryptocurrency exchanger, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So they're going to be able to run a Binance.us. However, it's probably going to be a neutered version of Binance, very similar to Coinbase. There's a reason Binance has like hundreds of coins and Coinbase has like 7 coins or 10 coins or whatever they have. Anything that could be construed as a security, U.S. regulated exchanges can't trade. We could get into a whole kind of argument about how stupid that is, that the government blocks us from doing what we want with our own money. You have to be an accredited investor, which means you either make over $300,000 or you have $1 million in net worth. They got to protect us poor, stupid people from ourselves. All the while, they have no problem with people, blowing money on slot machines and scratch-off tickets and wasting money on all the other types of stupid shit. But that's an argument for another video. But for those people who want to do what the fuck they want to do, a lot of people are choosing to find an alternative exchange to Binance. So a lot of people are looking at Kucoin and or Gate.io. Both of these exchanges list the Binance coin. Kucoin as of today, and I think Gate.io has been doing it for a while. Gate.io has a USDT pair and BNB coin, which I know BNB coin is one of the hottest coins right now. It's one of the most popular ones. It's probably one a lot of you guys are concerned about. They don't have a CNYX pair with BNB. They don't have a Bitcoin BNB pair. They don't have an ETH BNB pair, but they do have USDT. If we go over to Coinbase, KuCoin, and look at the KuCoin markets, there's no KuCoin Neo pair. There is a USD KuCoin pair, USD BNB pair. There is no KuCoin BNB pair. KuCoin's a coin you guys may want to look into. If you like Binance coin, you may like KuCoin. KuCoin is essentially the coin of the exchange of KuCoin, and that one's gone up quite a bit lately, ever since the announcement about Binance blocking U.S. customers. There is no ETH BNB pair, and there is a Bitcoin BNB pair. So, for people who still want to continue to trade BNB, KuCoin, and or Gate.io are options. I'll link to both of those down in the description box below. I know a lot of people are choosing to be extra safe and are going to be using a VPN, because right now, KuCoin and Gate.io, they don't have any plans of getting rid of U.S. customers. However, what I have a feeling is going to happen is once Binance goes away, the biggest guy in business, in the world, the biggest guy always has a target on their back, right? And everybody else kind of gets ignored. So as soon as Binance kind of caves and stops dealing with U.S. customers, what's likely going to happen is whoever rises up to be the next largest exchange, now they have a target on their back. And I have a feeling the same thing is going to kind of follow suit, and then they're going to wind up banning U.S. customers as well. A lot of people who are talking about continuing on using Binance, if you've ever logged into your Binance account from a US IP address, I would anticipate there being problems with your Binance account down the road. So a lot of people who are signing up for KuCoin or Gate.io are from the very beginning using a VPN, logging in as if they're from Hong Kong or something like that, and just continuing to do that forever. There's no problem signing up as a US customer. You can sign up as a US customer. You can sign up without using a VPN, but people who are being especially cautious, are doing it with a VPN. I suppose there's no harm in signing up just regular now, and if any announcements are made about policy changes, we'll just go register for a new account and use a VPN at that point. But I just wanted to share this article from Yahoo Finance. The article is titled "KuCoin lists Binance Coin supports Binance Chain projects." Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin has announced that it is now listing the cryptocurrency Binance, known as BNB, issued by the exchange Binance, according to a press release on June 19th, so that's today. KuCoin will reportedly offer BNB trading pairs with Bitcoin and Tether. The announcement also notes that KuCoin will support projects on Binance's native blockchain, Binance Chain, in addition to its native coin, BNB. The recent developments show that major trading institutions are putting trust in Binance's token vetting process on its initial exchange offering platform. At press time, KuCoin is the 46th largest cryptocurrency exchange on CoinMarketCap with an adjusted 24-hour trade volume of over $47 million. Binance recently partnered with Trust Token to offer the latter's dollar-backed stablecoin TrueUSD on the exchange as a fiat to crypto conversion mechanism. There are reportedly no additional fees to buy stablecoin, and users can then use TUSD to convert their funds one-to-one with the US dollar. As recently reported by Cointelegraph, researchers at Binance conjectured that social media giant Facebook's upcoming Libra stablecoin could increase the crypto market's volume by making crypto payments more accessible. The researchers discussed how Libra aims at becoming a global currency standard, saying backed by a basket of fiat currency denominated in assets in its initial release, Libra represents a first attempt at creating a world currency, on-chain or not, with everyday usage by billions of individuals and institutions across the globe. So I thought this was interesting. Binance Coin gets listed on KuCoin today. For anybody who's looking to transition from Binance to another exchange, at least from what I've looked around, KuCoin and Gate.io are two of the few exchanges who are offering the BNB coin. They also are, in my opinion, nothing matches Binance. I loved Binance, but I think these are two of the more reputable and trustworthy exchanges. I think these are two of the exchanges with higher volumes, and they have good coin offerings and pretty good interfaces. I'm probably going to go with Kucoin. Although Kucoin is a little bit more complicated than Gate.io. Kucoin, you have like a main wallet and a trading wallet. Little bit more advanced, but I think even beginners should be able to figure that out. Let me know what you guys think about this. I guess everything in the cryptocurrency space. A lot of exciting stuff going on. A lot of exciting announcements coming out this summer. Let me know what you guys think of Binance banning U.S. users. Is this a big deal or not a deal? Will it cause people to dump out of alts as we get closer? What do you think it means for the space as a whole? And let me know what alternative exchanges to Binance you guys are using. Are you guys using Kucoin, Gate.io, Bittrex, Poloniex, Kraken, another platform I haven't mentioned? Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Do me a favor and smash that fucking subscribe button, guys. It's taken forever to get to 100,000 subscribers. I want to get that silver play button, so help me out. Hit that subscribe button. If you got 5 YouTube accounts, go subscribe from all 5. Do me a favor, guys. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.